Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how you can send the HTTP request using uh, request library in Python. So I have basically running a simple test in front of you. We will run the code uh, to show you that how we can send the request using proxy we're using request without getting blocked. Sometimes you don't have the resources, you don't have a time. I am currently using developing scripts for proxies and sending requests, so there is a huge sort of problem around there. Okay, so many people can't have the resources that they are very worried about because they don't know how to send the request, and whenever they send they got blocked. So I have this code. This is import request code. Request library is a very basic Python package, and I've read this. I create this code, prompt engineer through chat GPT. So I'm running a for loop, and we're gonna access facebook.com. Okay, so when I run this, you see there is it's not working. Okay, so there is an error occurred and an exception. Everybody is for example, if I run like amazon.com, if I send the request to amazon.com, and we're gonna run this again. I'm running this. You can see this give me an error. So how can I fix this? Okay, so we have a new library. I've written this another code. This is called curl CFFI. You note this curl CFFI. If you go to type, I have, this is the library, this is their GitHub profile, and it's very famous library. Okay, so I am just running the same code. I am basically accessing the Facebook library, but uh, let me clear this. Okay, so I will running a simple test and show you how you can send the request. Okay, so without getting blocked. When you see when I run a facebook.com through request, and now I'm gonna run this to curl CFFI. Okay, basically it's using curl protocol, keys and finger. When I run this, you see there is I got the response 200 on each time. So this is the thing when I run this library, because is changing the browser instances, and I shared the link in the description, so you understand how you can write a code without getting blocked, changing browser randomly. So if I run like Amazon, sending the request on amazon.com, when I run this, I got 200 response. It means this library help you a lot to scrape data from websites. 80% to 90% websites you can easily scrap. It doesn't mean you don't require proxies. I'm using IP proxy program. This is one of the best proxy program I have signed up, and I want you to click on my affiliate link because this was so if you want to you will get a discount rate on this when you get the proxies through my link. So this is the video I shared this. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.